Hey Dan, this is John with Sheets Digital. My outreach specialist Mary got a hold of you earlier about sending a video. Uh, just wanted to follow up with that and give you a brief overview of what can be done to beef up your website, and we'll do a comparison between you and a couple competitors here, along with just a brief understanding of the jargon and everything else associated with it. If at the end of this video you want to get a hold of us, I'll go ahead and put that information at the end. So here we go. The first aspect of typing in or looking for a business here on Google is, the keyword. General Contractor Cincinnati is what I started with. We'll branch off from there. The first thing we see when we type that in is the map pack or the Google My Business aspect here. You get ranked separately from this in regards to this. So these are your organic searches. This is your map pack. They are separate from each other. While they are connected to your website, Google ranks them differently. So if you were to put your information into several different directories, in the yellow pages, Yelp, let's say Bing, bunch of different other websites, and you got a whole bunch of them, that's how you'd increase your ranking on this. On top of that, it's important to note that 5-star reviews, pictures that are associated with the profile, such as these, are shown, and a lot of them, and that everything is up to date and according to the address of the business. So moving down forward, we go into the organic searches here. I'm going to pull up one of your competitors in our analytics tool. This is Ross General Contractors. We'll look at their website here, and as we can see, they're bringing in very little, and they're on the front page of Google. They could be doing a lot more with this, and it would be easy to beat them out. So what we'll do here is go over some categories here in their profile that apply to all businesses that are on Google. Their organic keywords, their backlinks, and the traffic that's as a result of that. So if we look at the organic keywords, we'll see a breakdown of what they're ranking for. Now, when you look at a website, it's important to know that Google looks at your content. Content meaning, the pictures, the words, the paragraphs that are on there. What's staggering about this is that there's barely any content on this front page, and that's easily beatable. Most websites need to have around 1,500 words on the front page. After that, it needs to be 500 words for each subsequent page. The only reason I could suspect that this is ranking so high is because all the other websites are not that great. So it'd be easy to at least rank more for that keyword. Now, it's important to note, usually Angie's List and Home Advisor, things like that, Better Business Bureau, are almost always in the top when you look for certain businesses. So it's always important to keep that in mind. But most people are going to go to specific websites, and our job is to make sure you get in the top 5, top 10 at least on the front page. Everything after that is going into the Google graveyard, as they call it. So the further back you fall, the worse it gets as far as bringing in business leads. So again, going back to the metrics here, we see their keywords that they're ranking for in totality. They're doing well in some aspects, but not so much others. And we just happen to have a bunch of other keywords that we can help you rank for. What's important to notice here is General Contractors Cincinnati. This keyword that we typed into Google, 150 people searched for that term alone in the past month. And that was updated on January 29th. So my guess is it'll update on February 10th, or if it's a leap year or not, I don't remember. February 29th. So they're at position 8 for that keyword. So they are in fact there. If we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So actually they're at 7th, unless I counted something wrong. So it needs to be updated. Google's algorithm can be weird like that sometimes, but as we can see, the different keywords that have amazing volumes here. We got 300 people looking for the term residential general contractors. Now these are graded with different difficulties, and as you go up higher into bigger keywords, nationally ranked stuff, it gets a little more difficult to rank for those, but everything's achievable with time. So again, it's important to note the numbers on some of these, and general contracting services, residential remodel contractors, Cincinnati General contractor, just by one, is about 20 people. They're at 8 for that. But I won't go through this too much more, boring you with that. I want to show you something that's really interesting. Is we've got a bunch of different keywords here that we could use to increase your rank, that apply to you. So kitchen remodeling contractors, that's a 700 volume. 700 people looked for that term in the past month or so, and it was updated February 14th. So in the past month from that point, 700 people searched for that term. Kitchen remodeler Cincinnati, 200. The list goes on. There's plenty here. Plenty of people are looking for business. It's our job or your job to optimize that and make sure it happens, right? So just to show your metrics, yeah, it's not doing anything for you, unfortunately. And this happens a lot of the times when people try to build their own and don't have these tools to break things down. They just don't know, and a lot of people don't know, how to do it. So they call contractors like us to take a look, and then if they want our services, we do it. But if you are interested in going over things a little bit more, I'd be happy to do a Zoom call where we can meet face to face, since we are located in Dayton. Whatever you want to do, I'm happy to oblige. You can reach us at our business line, which is 937-507-6596. Our Gmail, which is sheetsdigital@gmail.com, which is SHEETS digital. Or you can reach me on my cell phone if you ever need to. 937-903-8766. And please don't hesitate to ask any questions, and I hope to hear from you soon. Dan, have a great day.